He's going to be pouring a transom, with two-part materials, and he'll be filling this cavity. He's got it all prepared on the inside, and fiberglassed everything else. Got 2 holes drilled in the back end, and when he gets this leveled, he'll be putting a fiberglass piece in here, and then be putting this funnel into here and filling it all the way up to the top. So the resin will come all the way up to the top. So have a good solid transom. This is the chemicals here. It's a hardener and mix.
RJ.
What's it? RJ?
RJ.
RJ.
Ceramic.
Yep. Okay.
The MEK. That's the chemical that causes the reaction.
Okay. It heats it up, right?
Yeah.
Okay. He's got the inside poured pretty good. You read fiberglass the whole inside. Look, come out really nice. So, yep. It's got to be a mix for the temperature. So we put the exact amount in it.
Not kicking off yet. I don't know how long it takes to kick off though, that's the problem. Depends on the temperature.
Filling up good now. Starting to come in there.
I've heard people say it kicks off quick, I've heard people say it took an hour.
Well, was it 60? I think we're 60 or 60 some degrees right now. Of course, we got a fan going too because ventilation needs to be in the building because the smell is pretty bad. I think it's filling in pretty good actually. Make sure no bubbles in there.
Yeah, make sure it's settling good. Actually.
What was that?
No idea.
There's the top. Looks dry over here. And to put your skin back on, you went ahead, you cut them off with a saw originally, and then you put them back with epoxy?
Alright, fiberglass.
Fiberglass, okay, fiberglass, seal it back up, and put the skins on the front and the back, so you have a cavity to pour into. Of it, huh? For the back, yeah. It's much better. Yeah, it looks pretty good. This is all cured already, nice and hard, like a rock. Pour it all the way up to the top here. Come out nice, man. Yeah, it's gonna be good and solid, that's for sure. Yeah, okay. It's looking good, buddy. Yeah, it's pretty solid.